Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to turn on hotspot on a Mac. So first, click on this little Apple icon, select System Settings. Then from this General tab, look for Sharing. This is it. Click on it, and here below Accessories and Internet, and next to Internet Sharing, click on this little eye icon. A new window pops up. Here or Macs, you can't create a Wi-Fi hotspot sharing you're already internet connected using Wi-Fi. So here, share your connection. If you want to create a Wi-Fi hotspot, here you can only share your internet connected using Ethernet. So select Ethernet first, and here next to two devices using, and here next to Wi-Fi, enable this option like this, and here you can set your hotspot network name, the channel that you want to use to share your Wi-Fi over your internet over Wi-Fi, and here you can select the security type and your password. You can click on show password and edit this Wi-Fi password. Now click on, after doing this, click on OK and hit done again. And don't forget to click on this little to toggle this option next to internet sharing. Are you sure you want to turn on internet sharing? If your computer is connected to a network, turning on internet sharing may affect the network settings of other computers and disrupt the network. Contact your system administrator before turning on internet sharing. Click on turn on. And this is how to turn on a hotspot on a MacBook. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to click and to give this video a like. Thank you.